Welcome back to the channel. I'm AceB. Time for another reaction video, and I got a request to do this one. It's Naughty by Nature, Mourn You Till I Join You, tribute to Tupac. I bet it's gonna be good, so let's get into it.
It's gonna be alright. Better believe that.
Nice.
Got hot. Over the past year, a lot of niggas with props drop. So I thank you for my life and all that I got. I wanna praise you and drop off a message to Pop. I was sitting here looking at your picture, my nigga, putting hash with the weed with a mixture of liquor. We can't kick it, you ain't with us, is the shit I can't figure. Nigga, I miss you. Just know I'm going more, you tell I'm with you. It was 90 on the PE tour when we met. Damn, don't even seem like 7 years past. Both roadies now homies out the hood on the scene. You did the Humpty with the U, I did the walk with the Queen. Was a dream, smoking and drinking throughout the DM, still in backstage passes to
Already liking it. Sounds great. Trench looks like a steroided up Tupac. They could pass as brothers.
hit hoes in Coliseums. Found those that flip up, make them lift they shit up. Get it, then get up, hook the chicks up, then flip up. Pick up all the dimes till our room was mob. Male groupies got this and got the hell out of Dodge. They was blinded when the good shine through. They were on you. Just know I'm going more you till I join you. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. I hope you hear me now in God we trust. Even all the praise can bring it back to us. I want you till I do you cause I keep in touch. We were two little niggas both skinny and broke. Happy if we scrap pennies for smoke. Tours over, we were out. Yeah, then you called with the news. You was over in New York to film this movie called Juice. Called you back up, you told me back up. Me and you and Stretch could shack up. The thug love back up the act up. Shock him and Atron will call and fuss. Cause they knew we all kicked up dust. You remember when that cabbie said that he wouldn't pick up our race? We beat his ass and then you spit in his face. I remember on the set from the trailer feast, stole your Jews and Big Stretch punched them out his shoes. Back then I was taking stashes quick, who holding? That's why every piece of bud I was rolling was stolen. We would laugh at the jacks over 6-packs and yaks. Spit the emos over demos, thinking ladies in limos. You's a wild motherfucker who could never sit still. Said you couldn't rest till you seen a mill. Nigga, I felt you. We was back and forth from Borough to Project with force. Damn, I wish they knew how much you love New York. Shit.
He's going in on this, letting everybody know.
Can't nobody diss my nigga, motherfuck that. I miss my nigga. I'ma mourn you till I join you.
You got to worry about how long I'ma mourn you. I'ma keep your name on the street.
Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. I hope you hear me now in God we trust. Even all the praise can bring it back to us. I want you till I join you cause I'll keep in touch. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. I hope you hear me now in God we trust. Even all the praise can bring it back to us. I want you till I join you cause I'll keep in touch. I'm your true motherfucker, Thug Nation alert. Keep his name on the streets till you lay in the dirt. This shit hurt. Cause we went from poor to rich. It's supposed to seen a lot more than this. They propped you up, locked you up. When you did above the rim, they let you out, you called us out, we came and thugged again. We were here, rapists, they shout. Y'all was talking shit that y'all ain't know a damn thing about. You was going through your stress while your enemies laugh. They never take no shit and Tupac never took no ass. Fuck the press, fuck the world, life goes on when you die. Fuck the courts, fuck the judge and every bitch that lie. A little time tick by my whole knot got rocked. My lady waking me up yelling, Tretch, Pac got shot. Soon as I get there, I
Starting to get a little emotional talking about that rape case. He was innocent, we all know that. Pisses me off to think about.
Feeny urging me, saying convince my baby don't leave after surgery. So I'm looking in her eyes while they walking me through, thinking Pac hardhead, what the hell I'ma do? So we kick it, I say stay, then I ask what you need. You say a pound for coming, nigga, and a hit of some weed. So I ask you not to go over and over, God knows. You just smile and said, nigga, help me get on my clothes. So we got over that, you healed up, got.
Imagine that, you're going to see your friends, or who you think your friends are, and they shoot you 5 times, and you thinking you're gonna die, and you survive 5 bullets. Wonder what was going through his head at the time. Just the betrayal, you know what I mean? Crazy.
That drop case about life, they had you caged when I stopped. Yeah, the chain remained, plus you was a part of my link. They much time to think. I remember your release and we met up in LA. At the billiard getting blazed, hanging out with the hate. After that you blew up, a main nigga, platinum plus, addicted to drama, a soldier with a nation of thugs. Now we in these savage ages. Even you yourself predicted that last night in Vegas. I heard gaps were brandished, my nigga once again damaged. And a part of this heart right here vanished. At the same time, you was both loved and feared. M.O.B. the fucking thug of the year. I'ma mourn you till I join you.
Ashes and dust to dust. I hope you hear me now. In God we trust. Even all the praise can bring you back to us. I want you till I join you, cause I'll keep in touch. Ashes to ashes and dust to dust. I hope you hear me now. In God we trust. Even all the praise can bring you back to us. I want you till I join you, cause I'll keep in touch. That's what we'll do.
Wow, great song. Definitely loved this homeboy Tupac. Every Tupac fan should know this song. Maybe they do, I don't know, but looking at the views, only 250,000 views. This thing should be in the hundreds of millions. Great song. Love that song. What else can you say, man? Tupac, R.I.P. Alright, on to the next one. Peace.